welcome to Costco shopping with me. I haven't even started yet, but the queue is ridiculous. But first I've got to make a pit stop to the toilet. So I'll be back. Hi guys, it's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. And as you can see today, I'm visiting Costco. But before I had to make a pit stop to the toilet because I've been traveling about an hour and a half by drive. But you know, you've got to stretch the pennies where you can. So I'm visiting Costco today because I needed some water, and I buy water by the pack. But boy, I'm telling you, it was a Wednesday and I was so surprised to see Costco so full because I saw the queue before I started shopping. But you know, I just like Costco because I do my monthly shop at Costco and it's stretch packet. It lasts from month to month. So to me, that is value for money. But some of you may know or may not know, Costco sells in bulk. So it's not a single item. So if you get buying something, it's in packs. So where you can get various of everything for the household. They have Halloween stuff, and they have loads of Christmas stuff, meats, food, anything you can possibly think of. Because they even sell clothes and towels and stuff like that. Anything you can think of, it's there. It's a big outlet, and I just love it. But I knew it was packed from the car park because when I pull up, the car park was so full. It was packed to the brim, and I head to the back because where the water is at the back of the store, where you see everyone is heading to get their water. And let me tell you, at the end of, someone had to help me. This man I saw, he was working there, he was putting up water. You can see that way down to my floor that he helped me. He was so generous. And for that, I thank him because I was by myself. Anyway, yo, look at the Christmas stuff. Oh my God, some of them are so expensive though. But I love it because Christmas is my time. I just love Christmas. Christmas is so cozy and so nice. I love it, I love it, I love it. Everybody don't love Christmas. I'm surprised and I'm so excited. It was so amazing. Anyway, I'm going to stop blabbing, but as you can see on the end of this video, I always stop at the hot dog stand because at Costco you get value for money. When I say value for money, they sell pizza. On the menu they had mango shakes, they had potatoes, jacket potatoes, stuff like that. But I always get an hot dog, and it only cost me £1.50. So while driving back, those girls got to eat and ride. Anyway, I'm going to stop blabbing and let you enjoy my vlog. finished. Let me go to the checkouts now. So